Tonight for dinner we're going to be making chicken spaghetti. So I'm going to start off with showing you guys everything that's going in there. Right here I've got some chicken thighs that I cut off the bone and took the skin off and chopped them up. And I've got olive oil on there with this roasted garlic herb seasoning. It tastes so good on chicken. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you try it. But I'm going to saute the chicken. When it's almost done, I'm going to add this some mushrooms that I chopped up too into the chicken so they can get all seasoned and flavorful. And then what else is going in there is going to be some diced tomatoes. You can use Rotel. I have extra hot because that's how we like it, but you can get regular. Cream of mushroom soup, some Velveeta. I have the Easy Melt. I like HEB, you can tell. And then angel hair pasta, and then Colby Jack cheese. But the first thing I'm going to do is cook the chicken and then put the mushrooms in the chicken, and then we'll mix everything else all up, and then I'll show it to you when it's mixed up or while I'm doing it in just a second. That's everything you're going to need. Okay, so I've got my chicken and mushrooms sauteed here in the pan. You see. But I'm waiting on the noodles to boil. They're not. For some reason, it's taking forever for the noodles to start boiling. But the chicken and mushrooms are done. Once the noodles get finished, then I'll be mixing in the other ingredients. Boil already. Okay, I've got everything mixed up now and in my casserole dish. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see all the Rotel, the mushrooms, the chicken. There's cheese in there, cream of mushroom, everything. It looks good. I'm gonna put it in the oven on like 325 for about 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna add some shredded cheese on top, and I will show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, the chicken spaghetti is done. Look at that. Bubbly, cheesy, melty mess. Oh, Lane's gonna cut it open for us. Oh, you know you want more than that. Yum! You can hear the cheesiness.
Making a mess.
Look at that. I need you to try it.
No, I'm not gonna try it.
I don't have to put you in the camera. I just want to hear your reaction.
It's hot. Pause the video.
I can't pause the video. You'll have to blow on it.
Very good. Very good.
There you have it. Very good. Now I'm going to get my grub on. Let me know if you like this video, so I can keep making some more grub videos. I was gaming and now I'm about to be grubbing. Talk to you guys later.